like, comment, subscribe.
Hi friends. How to improve spoken English? How can you practice speaking English without anybody else to help you? Don't worry. You can still improve your spoken English, even without a speaking partner. We're going to explain how. Are you ready? Let's go.
Hi. Here are top 9 tips to become fluent in English. 1. Think in English. You'll notice that when you think in English, it's easier for you to speak in English. You can do this anywhere, anytime. Try to use English when you're thinking about something. That way, you never have to use your native language and translate words. 2. Talk to yourself. If you're already thinking in English, try speaking your thoughts out loud. Read out loud. Talk to yourself. 3. Use a mirror. Whenever you can, take a few minutes out of your day to stand in front of the mirror and speak. Choose a topic, set a timer for 2 or 3 minutes and just talk. 4. Focus on English fluency, not grammar. If you focus on speaking fluently instead of correctly, you'll still be understood and you'll sound better. You can fill in the correct grammar and word rules as you learn them better. 5. Try English tongue twisters. Tongue twisters are series of words that are difficult to say quickly. One example is: the 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday. Try saying this a few times. It's not easy. 6. Listen and repeat. Listen English audios and practice yourself to speak in English. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes perfect. 7. Learn your most common sayings. Learn how to say your most commonly used phrases and words in English. Knowing them in English will help you speak as well in English as you do in your native language. 8. Read in English. Reading helps you to improve your speaking skills because it makes your brain work. When you read, you probably listen to your head or inner voice pronouncing the words. 9. Relax. If you get stuck or confused, just take a big breath and start over. Speak slower if you have to. Take time to pause and think about your next sentence. These are some of the important tips to speak English.